In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert notes in Google Sheets. Notes are a simple but really powerful way to add extra context to your data without cluttering up your spreadsheet. You can use them to explain how a number was calculated, remind yourself of an update you need to make later, or share a quick comment with someone you're collaborating with. Let's walk through exactly how to add and use them. First, open your Google Sheet and find the cell where you want to attach a note. This could be a header, a total, or any cell that needs a bit of explanation. Click once on that cell to select it. Now to insert a note, move your mouse over the selected cell, then right-click. This opens a context menu with a list of options. In that menu, look for the option that says Insert Note. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you do, a small white text box will appear, usually just above or below the cell. This box is where you'll type your note. Click inside the box and start typing whatever you want to remember or share. You might write something like, updated on the 1st of each month, or pull this number from the latest report. Keep your notes short and clear so they're easy to scan later, especially if multiple people are using the sheet. When you're done typing, you don't need to look for a save button. To finish, simply click anywhere outside the note box or press Enter on your keyboard and then click away from the cell. Google Sheets saves your note automatically, so there's no risk of losing what you wrote. Once the note is saved, you'll see a small black triangle appear in the top right corner of the cell. That little marker is your visual indicator that a note is attached there. It's helpful when you're scanning a large sheet because you can instantly spot which cells have extra information. To view the note later, move your mouse over that cell and just hover on it. After a moment, the note will pop up in a small box so you can read it without clicking or opening anything else. If you need to update it, you can click into the note, edit the text, and again, just click away when you're done. And that's it. By right-clicking a cell, inserting a note, typing your message, and using that little black triangle as your guide, you can keep your Google Sheets organized, clear, and much easier to understand for yourself and anyone you share them with.